Hey, welcome back to another video, guys. And before I continue my video, I just want to give a shout out to Alexander. Alexander, he commented on one of my recent videos. Was one I, one I made Saturday. I think it was Saturday, Friday night, something like that. I was at my friend's house, and he was giving me really nice comments, and I decided to give him a shout out at the next video because he really enjoys my videos. So I really shout out to him. Now I don't know how to pronounce his last name, so I'm just gonna call him Alexander the Great because he's really great. I really think so. Now, if you check the video now, if you see the comments, it doesn't show. I don't know why. I tried looking through my YouTube studio, it doesn't show. But if you guys would have saw the comments before, then yeah, it was Alexander the Great. Even though his name was not the Great, it started with an L. It was just fucking whatever. But hey, he wanted me to do another video because he really liked my videos. And he's really hoping I did another video, so here I am. I even did say I was going to make another video. So, today's video, we're not going to be playing YouTuber's Life. We're going to be playing Exploding Your Fucking Mom. This is called Exploding Kittens. Now, this game is an actual card game, but obviously you have to buy this game. Oh, obviously on Google Play, you have to buy the game. I can't remember how much it was, but it's a really fun game. Now you probably won't hear the music right now. Oh, yeah, there's a lot of cool stuff. Now, obviously I did not buy an AP. Obviously, I did not get an APK for this because I actually afforded it. And I bought everything that was on this because it was really cheap, honestly. It wasn't that much stuff. As you think about it, it was a lot of stuff, but hey, who cares? But, so we're going to continue this. You can play with friends. So what you do is, it's just a game. Here, I'll do a tutorial for you guys. There are several exploding kittens in the draw pile. To win the game, don't draw an exploding kitten. That's basically it. And here's the tutorial. It teaches you how. Let's have a card. Play a card, and that's how you do it. It says you can play as many as few cards as you like on your turn. And you'll see you can draw a card. That's it. Remember, the goal of the game is to avoid drawing the exploding kitten. Now, if you ever played the card game, it's basically just like this, except on mobile. But you can also play with strangers, which is fun. You can play online. Yeah, there's different decks too. This deck just recently came out, so I just bought that. And plus, whatever this thing I'm using, my recording, I still have my yearly subscription. I just don't use a picture no more because you can't underestimate the default. Yeah, this is like the classic pack. This is a party pack. This is the betrayal pack, and this is the stretching kittens pack. Which the stretching kitten. Yeah, each card pack I think it's like $1 in each. Obviously, you would get this one for free because we'll see. No, this original card. No, that's just the original card deck. And these ones, they have a different card deck has different things. Having like kitty cat butt transfers all the target player's cards to cat's butt until they draw a card, forcing them to play blind. So technically, if you draw a card and give it to somebody, they can't see their cards, and it also mixes the cards up. So, for example, if I got Exploding Kitten, you have a diffuse, you don't know which one it is because obviously it's mixed up, and it shows a kitty cat butt. Now, kitty diarrhea. Sling diarrhea onto random cards into the opponent's hand, making them unplayable until they draw one or two verities. So they can't use like a specific card for one or two times for like a round or something like that. Obviously, you see the future. You can see, the future, which is see. You get to see how many cards you get to see. Like for example, like if you don't know what the second card is, you may think of Exploding Kitten. Exploding Kitten, you just see through the future card, and you get to peek how many how many cards it would say. It would be like you can pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that. Triple slap is slap your opponents with more forced turns, which means that instead of just having one turn, you have 3 turns. The Betrayal Pack. Fake Shuffle. Pretend to shuffle the deck. The next card you will draw will be random. Catnomic Bomb. Remove all the exploding kittens from the draw pile, then shuffle the draw pile, then return the exploding kittens face down on top. Your turn is over after playing this card. So, you take all the exploding kittens out, shuffle the other cards, and all the exploding kittens go on top for the next player. Alter the Future. View the top 3 cards from the draw pile and rearrange them in any order you like. So you get to order them. So if there's an exploding kitten in the 3rd card, you can put that at the top for somebody else to get it. And self-slap. Apply a self-slap that you can make more turns in a row. Don't know why you would want to do that, but it's just like the same thing. And then stretch kittens back. And stretching kittens. While this card is in your hand, you can also secretly hold one exploding kitten without exploding. See, I never got this card before, so I have no idea. Super Skip. End your turn without drawing a card if you're supposed to take multiple turns. End them all. I have no idea what that does too. I tried to use it once. It just made me skip a turn. I have no idea how that's supposed to work. Swap top and bottom. Swap the top and bottom. Obviously, you swap the top and bottom cards or draw pile without looking. So you just swap them. A cat. It's the same one. A garbage collector. Every player who has cards, including the player who placed the card, must choose one card from their hand to secretly insert the draw pile, then shuffle the entire draw pile. So yeah, see the future 5 times. View the top 5 cards from the draw pile. Okay, alter the future. Except it's like 5 this time. And kitty cat, but still the same. Now the stretching kitten card allows the player to hold an exploding kitten in their hand without exploding. This also means there is one exploding kitten in the deck than normal. See, now I don't have that card before. So first we're going to go in order by playing online. And these games are really quick. It's just depends on how many players you have and what the deck you're using. So each game I'm going to use each deck. Alright. Yeah, plus you can change your avatar to... It was lagging hardcore.
You suck, Shinka.
Alright.
All right, kiddies. Let's get to work.
Alright, there we go. Alright, so it tells you the chance of you getting a kitten. Hellboy.
You. It's meow or never.
Plus it also tells you which one is it. It will show like a little outline. Up. Boy.
Pew pew.
So you have diffuse where you can diffuse your exploding kitten, but it goes back in the pile. See, it goes back in the deck. What took him so long? He almost exploded already.
Potato.
Yeah, steal a card. I can pick somebody to steal a card with. What is this dude doing? He's gotta think. These people like take forever.
Hack soup.
What the fuck was the point of it? It doesn't matter if you lose all cards. Oh god. Oh, well, are you fucking kidding? Hey, at least I'm not the one getting the fucking diffused. Hey. Oh, you're a fucking idiot. Oh, you fucking lost. Okay, yeah, well, you fucking lost. Baby cakes exploded. 3 exploding kittens, 32% chance of a fucking kitten. Great, it's fucking my turn. See, it's fucking easy. It's fucking, cause you can tell from the percent. There's like no way. You're a fucking idiot.
Hum nom 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 nom.
problem getting that cat to. It's problem getting that exploding kitten too early.
Your turn.
Good. I like that. Give me a fucking card. You better fucking give a card to give up. Clear the. Ooh. Oh, you guys gotta hear the sound of this. Hold on.
Ooh. Oh.
This is fucking hilarious. Ooh. Oh.
You.
Of course it fucking is. Oh,
1, 2, 3
fuck.
kittens.
1, 2, 3 kittens. You're fucking all dead. You're a fucking idiot. Well, he has a defuse because obviously he didn't use his yet. Oh, that's right. The player. Oh, just to let you know, if you ever get the exploding kitten, the player gets to
1, 2, 3 kittens.
where that fucking card gets good back. Here, if I would ever get exploding
Your
kitten, 100%. Bye, Felicia. You I was fucking be going. Fuck. Aw. Why is there a fucking explosion? So you can pick where the hide the kitty. I'm gonna pick fucking random. Great. Now we all fucking used our diffuse. Now we're all good. I swear to God, if you fucking steal from me, I'll fucking rape you.
May the furs be with you.
Kittens. Don't take a turn. Take a nap. We're fucking out of almost good cards. Of course. I need to see the future.
1,
Oh,
2, 3 kittens.
I'm fucking telling you. Can I draw one more? Fucking 30%. I'm telling you. You guys are fucking lucky. Oh, shit. Oh. Ooh. Fucking.
Nom, 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 nom.
He got another one? It's very rare to fucking find another one in the deck.
It's your turn.
You fucking double slap me, you son of a bitch. You bitch, you thought. Fuck, I had another one. Bitch, you fucking thought. I had a single slap though, but I'm not fucking complaining. Oh yeah, this video. Go fuck. Go fucking head. All I had was single slaps.
It's been an honor, kiddies.
Oh, you're fucking dead. How the fuck the fuses you fucking hacking?
Ha-ha! You.
Should not laugh. I'm telling you. Ooh. Ah. Alright, it's a 50% chance of you getting the fucking card. Oh, you fucking lucky piece of shit.
You.
Fuck, I'm so dead. Fuck! You know what? Kill me. Fucking kill me. You have exploded. See, this game's hard to fucking win.
Back to the litter with you.
Leave this game and go to the other card deck. Enjoying the game? Please wait for future updates later, okay? Fuck you. Hey, we're strangers. Now we'll use the party pack. Oh shit, this fucking trash. You probably fucking are. I'm changing my avatar.
Aw, shucks. Thanks so much.
I think it might be just us guys. Yep, it's gonna be just us two. Ah, it's just guess it's gonna be us two then. Great. Yeah.
You.
I think I diarrhea cat already. It's like really easy in the fucking beginning, unless you're fucking.
It's your turn.
Let's see. How the fuck?
Pew pew.
How the fuck? That was fucking quick. He getting that shit. Oh shit, I'm fucked. Fuck. Damn it.
It's your turn.
Fuck. Fuck. Oh fuck you. You don't get to use my shit. That's what I fucking thought. I fucked up. You give me a fucking card, bitch. Give me your fucking defuse. I fucking hate you. You know what? Fuck you. You thought, bitch, you thought. You're gonna have to draw. Fuck. He's gonna have to draw sometime. I kinda fucked that up. Are you? You must be sucking my dick.
Your turn.
Bitch, you fucking thought. Oh shit, you're a fucking idiot. Damn it. Well, at least I got to fucking draw a card now. I was kinda hoping that was a fucking diarrhea ass one.
Your turn.
Fucking damn it. That's how fucking hard this game is. Card collector, Fusic, most attacked. Of course, it was fucking me. Trash wins. Fuck you. Fuck it. Okay, no, thank you. Alright, another fucking deck. Oh shit, I was gonna change my fucking ass. Fart balls. Great. More people though.
Good luck. Hey there. I'm a knife squid.
I'm a knife squid.
Good luck.
Ass. No.
Good luck.
Well, looks like there was a problem connecting to it. Certainly, it will work next time. I fucking won! I did a great job. Okay, we get to have a fucking rematch on that one. Is the connection great? Yeah, the connection's fucking fantastic. I'm the fucking...
Aw, thank you.
I'm the fucking devil now. You gonna fucking run away from me. Waiting for... Oh. Ooh. Wait, I wanna be... I'm gonna be a fucking eggplant. Great. I love that fucking sound of music. Why the fuck would you slap yourself, retard? Wow, that's what you fucking get.
Pew pew.
Fucking used that already. The problem, people take fucking forever to put the damn
1, 2,
thing.
3 kittens. Your turn.
He fucking drove that shit in the bottom. Yeah. Ooh. Ah. Wow, what the fuck was the point of that? I love that sound. Ooh. Ah. I'm glad I did that. Ooh. Ah. I love that sound. With the shuffle.
Your turn.
Oh, bitch, you fucking thought. Damn it. If you fucking steal from me, I'll fucking... Yeah, what? Fuck.
Pew pew.
Ooh. I was enjoying that.
It's your turn.
Oh, fucking... Alternate the future. Oh, okay, it's not that bad. Ooh. Oh. I don't know why I keep doing that. Just don't fucking ask. Psych! Oh, you fucking thought! Bitch, you thought. Oh, fuck, you got roasted! Fuck, damn it. I got roasted.
It's your turn.
Bitch, you fucking thought. You thought it
Your
was
turn.
not. Fuck, I shouldn't have did that.
Ooh.
Sounds like a fucking orgasm right there. Ooh.
Your turn.
Oh, I'm telling you. I fucking knew it. I knew that was gonna happen. I'm putting that shit in the fifth.
Potato.
You fucking thought. Can I drop? Fuck. You fucking thought. Ooh.
Ooh. You.
DEFCON 1.
Fuck. Shit. Fuck all of you. Fuck you. No. Tap to see who explodes next. I would love to see who explodes next, actually. Actually, I know not, because this will fucking take forever. 14 cards left. Alright, last deck of the day. Next video when I make fucking Wednesday, if we go back to YouTube's fucking back to YouTube simulator, whatever the fuck I put. YouTuber's life, yeah.
I hate you so much.
Waiting for players. Oh wow, I guess nobody's fucking playing.
I am scared of tofu.
Ew, Tifu. Not Tifu. Tofu.
I am a brave tofu.
Alright, let's try again. Maybe nobody likes this. There, I knew it. But. Oh shit, where are people joining? Oh shit! Party! Oh shit, this one's way the fuck different.
Hello.
You're gay. 12 to 15% chance of that fucking happening.
Your turn.
Oh shit. I fucking knew it. Taking my sweet ass
Nom
in.
nom 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 nom.
No, 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 no. Fucking whatever. I'm a dumbass. I fucking fucked myself.
Ooh.
Oh wait, he fucking shuffled that shit. You fuck. You get to have this. 'Cause I'm not fucking letting you have all my good shit.
Your turn.
Oh, you fucking thought. I want to know what the fuck I use it. Ew. You're a fucking idiot.
Nom 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 nom.
Oh, I just hope I don't get that fucking cat now.
Your turn.
Of course it is. The what? Oh, I got some fucking diffuse. Oh, alright. That's fucking rare to get. I'm fucking with 4 cards. Everybody's with fucking 20. Ew.
I like.
Ew, what the fuck is that? Alter the future? That's fucking weird. What the fuck are you doing? Making cool. He fucking shuffled that shit. Ooh. Oh. I don't have any of those cards. I should get one. I gotta get one. What the fuck? How many do you fucking have?
Kitty cat butt butt.
Oh, thank fucking God. I was gonna fucking kill you. See? Kitty cat butt. Fucking turns all these cards are fucking assholes.
It's your turn.
Oh, well.
Ooh.
Who are the he got the most fucking cards. Fuck! Thought mixing it up would fucking work. Random, I don't fucking give a shit. I'm trying to hurry up this damn game.
1, 2, 3 kittens.
I don't have a fucking card like that.
Potato.
Fucking do it to me, I fucking dare you. Yeah, that's why I fucking throw it. Fucking, ugh.
It's your
You
turn.
fucking retard. You know what? You go fucking the other way around. You didn't fucking think of that, chin chin.
Kitty cat butt butt.
Fucking do it to me. I'm about to fucking say, I have one card. I already know what the fuck it is.
Nom 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 nom.
Oh, you
Give me your garbage.
fucking...
I am a very lucky tofu.
What happens if the timer runs out? Fuck you. I'm fucking dead. Of course, the cards are all fucking mixed up. Where the fuck? Is it fucking my turn so I can have a fucking card? Oh, now it's fucking burning.
It's your turn.
It's not good when it's fucking burning. I like that music. Oh, this goes of a fur alarm. When is that ever fucking useful? Seriously.
1, 2, 3 kittens. It's your turn.
Oh, that's not good. I'm done. I fucking lost. Whoop, that was today's video. I lost. I only won fucking one. Which everybody fucking left. So guys, I hope you had a fucking great day. Because I don't know if there will be a part 2 of this. Maybe, I don't know when. Maybe. I don't fucking know when, but there will be a part 2 on this. This game is only fucking, I can't remember how much money this game cost because I bought it a long time ago. But it's a really fun game. You guys should really play it. I mean, it's fucking great. And you saw how fucking frustrated you will get. I mean, come on. It's a good game. So, recommend you buy it. Not because I'm making you to, but it's a good game. You guys should play it. Try it. If you guys can't afford the fucking mobile, if you have the card game version, you can play that too. It's basically the same thing, except normal fucking cards. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys fucking Wednesday. Tuesday, I got shit to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see ya.